The Zepeto Streamer Growth Program is back and better than ever. A special opportunity full of benefits for streamers who are truly passionate about live and content. Check out the details below. This program, updated on March 14, 2025, helps you grow through various ranks, from green to icon, each with specific upgrade conditions and exciting benefits. The program features automatic upgrade ranks: green for new streamers, yellow for growing creators, and blue for promising creators. To reach green rank, you need to go live on Zepeto with over 100 followers. This will unlock free boosts and a feature on the newbie tab. Advance to yellow by completing a green tier mission. This will give you more free boosts, a new badge, and 48 hours of top exposure on the newbie tab. Achieve blue status by completing a yellow tier mission. You will earn more free boosts, an exclusive hot badge, and 48 hours of exposure on the featured live tab. Beyond automatic upgrades, selected ranks like hot, pre-ace, ace, and icon offer enhanced benefits for top streamers. Hot streamers are rising stars on Zepeto, selected from blue tier streamers who are in the top 50 of sponsorships in their country and have strong potential. Pre-ace is a 2-week focused growth period for hot streamers aiming for ace status, focusing on fandom, growth, and consistent live streaming. Ace streamers have steady popularity and influence, ranking in the top 5 for support in their country or in the global top 30. Icon streamers represent and define Zepeto. They are in the top 5 for global support with a broad fandom and outstanding broadcasting capabilities. To be selected for hot, ace, or icon ranks, you need to stream for 3 or more days and 10 or more hours per week, maintaining high quality content and comply with all community guidelines. Benefits for selected ranks include priority placement on the featured live tab, live clip recommendation, and exclusive pinning packages like hot burning time and ace prime time. Icon streamers enjoy unlimited exposure on the live clip recommendation feed, global broadcast packages, and a monthly content support fund of 300 Zems. The Group Streamer Growth Program supports teams of 2 or more blue rank streamers who create idol-style content. Groups in the program receive live stream rights for their group account, pinned group live packages, and promotion support for their idol content. The Ambassador Streamer Growth Program is a beta program with 2 tracks: a streamer track for promoting new features and an item track for top-selling item creators. Ambassadors receive exclusive pinned feature packages, custom live backgrounds, and priority access for planning future collaborations. Important notice: program details are subject to change. Adherence to Zepeto's community guidelines is crucial to maintaining your status and benefits. Disqualification triggers: promoting external platforms can lead to immediate removal from the program. Repeat no-shows for pinned broadcasts may also result in disqualification. For global streaming, you must either provide basic communication in the target language or use a visible real-time translator on your broadcast stream. Join the Zepeto Streamer Growth Program today to elevate your live content creation journey and unlock your full potential.